everybody. Today is the day. It is currently 7:11 on August 25th, 2020. I woke up a little bit earlier than expected. That's okay, it just means I can get there a little bit earlier. The first thing I'm gonna do when I get there is film an empty apartment tour, so get excited. Can't believe it, the day is here. And to think that this day a week ago we were only going to look at this apartment is crazy. So I'm gonna go get ready, finish packing the last of the car, and we'll be on our way. It's 7:15 and look who came to say goodbye to me. No, he's just picking something up, but have fun on your surfing trip.
Thank you, my inaugural surf trip. With pro riders.
Yes. Sitting outside with some iced coffee for a few minutes, soaking up the last of the beautiful sunrises here. I can't believe I'm leaving this place, guys. I really can't, right? I can't believe I have to leave you. It's okay. I'll see you in a couple weeks when I have to come home. I love you. It's about 8 o'clock now. I just put in the last of the bags. I just had like 2 other bags and then like 1 food bag. But this is what the car looks like. Pretty much as packed as it could be. I bought a new TV yesterday. It's a smart TV. I'm very excited about it. We are ready to go. I'm about to pull out. It's like 8:15. The visibility in this car is gonna be so bad, but my mom's car is like brand new and she has those like blind spot things, which really helps. So wish me luck. No longer a New Jersey resident. I can't believe that. What a freaking time to be alive, baby. Let's do this thing. It's like 9:30. I just got to Philly and I just looked in the leasing office and picked up my keys. I'm so excited. Justin's on his way over to my apartment right now, but we're gonna unpack this beast. I just put my car key and the keys on here and I'm just gonna like wear it on this so that we can just go in and out on my wrist easily today. See you guys soon. So I have made it into my apartment. It's so hot. I definitely need to turn on the AC, but I'm gonna give you guys an empty apartment tour. So let's get started. Oh, I guess I should do this. Oh, this is a talking thing. I think I can buzz people in through that. That's what she said. Here is a nice overview. This was like just such a big selling point for me, was the ducts and the cool pipes, and the skylight is amazing. And the huge windows I just absolutely adore. And then over here I'm gonna do like my couch and stuff. The ceiling goes up even higher, so it's kind of like angled too. I don't have a view, but I kind of like that because I have a lot of privacy. And then here is the kitchen. I absolutely adore the kitchen. I think it's so cute. I love that the sink is like angled like this and I just have so much room. I also have a lot of cabinet space, which I really like. All of the appliances are brand new. Is this on? Yeah, it is. The only thing is this little dishwasher. It's very small, but I mean, I'm living alone, so it really doesn't matter, but I just thought that was cute too. Okay, so then we have some more windows, same windows over here. And I'm just gonna load these up with plants. I'm really excited to do that. And then in here, we just have a nice size storage closet, double doors. And then over here, we have the bathroom. Wait, the lighting's like actually pretty good in here. I love that the sink is like a floating sink. And then really big drawer space in here, which is nice. And then this opens up too. So I'll probably do like skincare up there. Towel rack. I have an over the door hanger actually. And then washer dryer, which is huge. A smaller shower, but oh, I didn't even know it had that thing. We went out and bought one, but it works. It's just me. I don't need a tub. I don't even take baths. And then all of this is like marble up here, which I really like because that's what I'm gonna do for the bathroom. And then into the bedroom. This is my room, obviously. Again, with the high ceilings and the beams, and I just cannot wait to decorate this room. It's not humongous, but like, I don't need such a big room because I have the entire apartment. I've also never had a bedroom with carpet, so this is kind of new to me, but I don't know, I guess it's good. It'll make it look kind of cozy. Up here we have the same kind of windows. Like, I don't even think I need blinds because that's what my view is, which I love. The closet is a really good size, which is huge for me because you guys know that it's coming up a little smaller on camera, but my closet at home was so big. So I love that this closet is like really a good size too. Oh my God, the lighting is so good in here. Guys, I'm home. I can't believe I'm home. Like, this is literally my home. I like drove over the bridge and I was like, wow, I'm home. This is amazing. So Justin's on his way over and we're gonna start unpacking the car, which I probably won't vlog because it's 90 degrees outside, 90 degrees in here. We have a bunch of stuff to get done. I'll show you guys as I update it throughout the day. I have to go to IKEA to get my mattress and my bed, and then I'm gonna look for a couch because that's the only other thing that I haven't gotten yet. So I will see you guys soon. Hi guys, it's 11:45 now. I am so hungry. I need to eat something. I think I'm gonna go get Hip City Veg or get it delivered, but I do need to go to IKEA. I ended up changing because like I was sweating and I didn't want to like dirty the clothes that I had on because I wanted to wear them the rest of the day. My car was so far away. Justin and I were like just dripping in sweat like the past hour and a half. He just left because he had to go to work. So that gives me the whole day to organize and just do everything. But I'm gonna give it a nice deep clean because I don't know if they cleaned it and like I just feel better if I clean it. So I'm gonna give it a clean and I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go get food and I will keep you updated. We literally just like threw everything kind of down. I opened up actually a couple of my Amazon packages over here and this is what I will be doing today. Hi guys, it is currently 3 o'clock. I'm about to go head out and go to IKEA. I think I'm gonna do a Whole Foods and a Trader Joe's run because I obviously have no food. I've been obviously very busy and I really haven't vlogged much, but I'll give you guys a little overview of what I've gotten done so far. Don't mind the recycling right there. This is like food and spices that I need to put away, but this is kind of what I've done to the kitchen. I'm trying to just organize as nicely as I can. I don't really know. I'm gonna go to IKEA, get some more things. I just mainly want to get a lot of organization just because clutter and like things not being organized really stresses me out. So I'm gonna go get some organization. And then over here is like my pile of decor. I had a bunch of Amazon packages come in. These are things that I need to return. My bedroom is just random shit thrown on the floor. And I hung these curtains there. I really like them there a lot. So I think I'm gonna go get a few more for these 3 windows. And then the bathroom, I've just done some laundry. I need to clean up a lot of stuff. My feet hurt so bad. My back hurts so bad, but I'm gonna go to IKEA just because I need a mattress to sleep on tonight. And I tested one out in my last vlog and I really liked that one. So I'm gonna go pick it up and then Justin's gonna help me with like setting up my bed and stuff when he gets done from work. So let's go. I have to turn the AC down so you guys can hear me. That was the easiest IKEA trip I've ever taken in my life. I love the South Philly IKEA. I will never go anywhere else. It's so small, so perfect, so convenient. I got the mattress. I wasn't able to get the frame. I'm gonna have my mom and Justin come back with me tomorrow because I do have to go home obviously tomorrow morning to get the second round of stuff. Oh, I lost my phone in IKEA. That was so fun. But shout out to the Apple Watch with the ping feature. I was able to find it because my dumbass just left it on a mattress. But anyway, I'm really thirsty and I have been craving a Chick-fil-A diet lemonade all day, and I'm really hungry because they messed up my salad order at Hip City Veg. So I'm actually just gonna go get a diet lemonade and some grilled nuggets because that's my Chick-fil-A order, diet lemonade and grilled nuggets. And this line is so long, but I don't even mind because it's not like I can sit down in my apartment. Like I don't have a chair. So this is me sitting right now and relaxing. So I'm okay with that. Update, we are now at Trader Joe's because I just couldn't wait on that line at Chick-fil-A. It just didn't make sense to wait on that line for some grilled chicken. I'm gonna get some groceries for the week and try and get something for dinner at Trader Joe's. So let's do it. Hello you guys, another sweaty update. It's about 6 o'clock now. I just got home. I need to eat. I'm like shaking. I'm so hungry and I'm so thirsty. I just walked with like 50 pounds on each arm, a third of a mile, and like it doesn't seem that much, but like wow. That shit sucked. I went to Walmart to look for the bed frame and I didn't get one, but I got a couple things. I went to Trader Joe's and then IKEA. So I'll show you guys what I got. From IKEA, I just got a few things. I got a big mason jar just for random stuff. I think I'm gonna put stevia in here. I got some cute little ice cube trays. I got this soap dispenser to put that in there. I got this. I had no idea what this was until I read it. It's an olive oil dispenser. You put your olive oil in there so you don't have like a ginormous clunky thing sitting on your counter. So I loved that. I got 2 succulents to put in my little plant hanger, and then I got 2 little bigger salad bowls, toilet bowl cleaner, and some wooden tongs. I thought these were cool. I spent quite a bit of money, but I did get a lot of stuff for what I got. I got 2 things of jicama sticks because I'm gonna air fry these tonight and make little turkey burgers. So I got 2 of those. This new dressing, I've never tried this. Some coconut aminos, I've also never tried this. Everything but the elote or whatever. Some sourdough bread, I'm gonna try eating that. I'm pretty sure sourdough bread is low FODMAP. I wanna give that a try, see how my stomach reacts to it. I got some gone bananas and I got a bunch of like frozen staples. I love edamame, so I bought 2 bags of those. Cauliflower gnocchi, kale gnocchi, blueberries, strawberries, baby spinach. I got some ground turkey patties. I didn't even know they made those, love them. Bananas, some multi-purpose cleaner, some eggs, couple cucumbers, cauliflower thins. I'm excited to try these. Jicama wraps, you guys know I love these. Broccoli and kale pizza crust, and then 2 dairy-free cheeses. So I am going to cook some dinner, get everything else put away, and I'll catch up with you guys in a few hours. Wow, even at night, the lighting is honestly not bad. This is great. It's 8:30 now. I am done for the day. There's really not much else I can do. I spent like the past hour organizing all of my spices like I showed you guys I was gonna do. And then my bathroom. Obviously I'm gonna do like a full apartment tour when like everything's done. This is what I've done to my bathroom. I have a candle lit. I have like makeup and hair and then some random stuff in there. I need to shower and Justin and I are gonna go get my mattress out of my back seat. I'm gonna end off this vlog. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.